Hi, it's Miss Rosie with the San Diego Natural History Museum. This week is Earth Week. Every year on April 22nd, we celebrate Earth Day and have for more than 50 years. In honor of that celebration, I have a beautiful book for you today. This is called Thank You, Earth, a love letter for our planet. And all of the photographs and the words are from April Pulley Sayre. I hope you enjoy it. The photographs in this book are absolutely beautiful. Dear Earth, you can see the spider web, and look, there's a shorebird there. A beautiful photograph. Dear Earth. Thank you for water and those that float, for slippery seaweed and stone. Thank you for mountains and minerals that strengthen bills and bone. Thank you for air, even fishy whale breath. Thank you for colors and coastlines and beach. This looks like La Jolla Cove, doesn't it? Thank you for tiny and towering. For trees, I love this picture, one of my favorite animals, and vines that reach. Thank you for curves and prickles and parallels. For patterns, oh, I love the beautiful patterns on those. All shapes that repeat. And if you notice in nature, there's lots of repetition, lots of symmetry. That means that the things are the same on both sides. And look at how beautiful that is. All the beautiful patterns. Thank you for leaves and buds and stems. For plant parts we can eat. Thank you for sounds and storms and seasons. For struggles and pale in-betweens. Take a look and see the beautiful bird there? Thank you for rays and radials. So a radial is a round thing. Has lots of different pointed parts, right? And overlapping greens. It's so beautiful, all those green plants. Thank you for jumbles, ingredients for soil. So that's what happens with leaves. They decompose and then become part of the soil again. And bright new growth in spring. I bet you've noticed more flowers outside recently. Springtime is so beautiful. Thank you for those that crawl. Yes, all, all, even those that sting. Insects are such an important part of our planet. They keep everything healthy. Without insects, we wouldn't have plants. It's kind of amazing to think about. Thank you for sunsets. Oh, sunsets in the desert are beautiful. Look at that. That's just beautiful colors. You can see the cacti. For sky room for birds. For edges, eyes can roam. Look at that rock. Do you see anything? Can you imagine what that rock looks like? I like to imagine things in the clouds too. Thank you for beginnings and endings. For lifetimes. Thank you for being our home. I hope you enjoyed that. I really love all those photographs. The world is such an amazing, beautiful place during all seasons and all places, and all the wonderful variety of creatures that inhabit the earth, that biodiversity. We need to celebrate it and be thankful for it. So I hope that you take some time to write your own letter, thank you letter, to the earth for all the things that it provides for us. Take care, and I'll see you next time.